Level 1, Episode 1, Crochet Terminology and Abbreviations. Here are some of the abbreviations used in crochet patterns. Feel free to pause on each page so you can learn each one. There are of course other abbreviations used for stitches, but we will cover them as and when we learn about that particular stitch. This list will get you started on the basics. When reading a pattern, it will often show part of a sequence between two asterisks. This denotes that it should be repeated as many times as necessary to reach the end of the row or round. Most crochet patterns are worked using a repetitive sequence of stitches. To work the correct width of your finished project, you will need a specific number of these sequences, called multiple. The length of your foundation chain is dependent on the size of your work, your yarn, your hook size and the stitches you are using. The foundation chain is the first row or round you will make, and the number of chains will consist of your multiples plus your turning chain count. Your turning chain is one or more chains worked at the beginning of a row. The amount depends on the stitch height. For example, a single crochet is equal to 1 chain, a half double to 2, a double crochet to 3, and a treble crochet is the equivalent to 4 chains. Sometimes this turning chain is counted as the first stitch in a new row, but your pattern should tell you if this is the case or not. Front, back, right, wrong, what? Front or back indicates the surface of the piece you see as you're holding it. This will change every time you turn your work. Right side and wrong side refer to the finished project. The right side is the view the designer intends to be shown, for example, the outside of a hat. When working with more than 2 colours, capital U letters are used to indicate the different colours you're using for your work, A, B, C, D, etc. This lets you know when to change your yarn. For 2 colours, M is used to represent the main colour you're using for your project, and C represents the contrast colour. Once you know the difference, you'll wonder how you didn't realise it straight away, yet so many new crocheters ask, what's the difference between a row and a round? Simply put, a row is worked side to side, turning the work at each end, like with a blanket. And a round is worked continuously around, like when you're making a hat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when the next video is uploaded. Also, please like, comment and share this video with other crocheters. See you next time and happy hooking!